to 25%. We're here. This week, we're gonna do something that we don't normally do, and we're gonna try our absolute best. The trade idea plan that I'm eyeing is AMD or NVDA here. So guys, we just entered an NVIDIA trade here. I'm gonna try my best to hold above this area. I'm gonna set my stop loss below 105. 16% here, solid 17, but we're gonna shoot for at least 30%. 23%, guys, 25%. This is a good day, guys. Let's go. This is how very simple I'm gonna keep my technical analysis. I'm not gonna try to do all these fancy indicators or try to add SMAs, EMAs. I let the market breathe. I let the news reports hit. And now I already have my trade ideas as far as what I'm watching. We was in this trade for over 2 hours, 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. guys. Today was amazing because we did exactly what we said we're gonna do. Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session. Happy Monday, and guys, I'm excited because this week we're gonna test out something different. This week we're gonna do something that we don't normally do, and we're gonna try our absolute best, guys, to hold all the way through. When I say hold all the way through, I'm talking about get into a contract, even get past 30%, and try to hold for even some more gains, guys. Because last week, 2 of our trades during the week ended up running over $900 to $1,000 a contract when we got in for $200 to $300 to $400 a piece. So with all that being said, guys, let's jump right into the charts and I'll show you guys what we're looking at today. Oh, here is SPY on the 4-hour time frame, guys, and this is what I was watching on Friday. Unfortunately, I done missed the whole move, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. This time, I'm not gonna do that, guys. Look, check this out. So we had entered puts before necessarily, as soon as we got the nice trend line broken. As soon as the trend line broke, we had entered on Friday's trades, as you guys saw on Friday's vlog. Now, I took a very small gain on this trade. These contracts went over $1,000 a piece, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. This had happened twice actually during the week as far as a very nice trade going even more. So I'm not gonna say shoulda, woulda, coulda held. I'm just gonna say this week we're gonna do something different, and we're gonna hold all the way, man, because honestly, I'm so tired of this stuff. So this is Friday right here. You can see we had entered on this candle here, sold barely on this candle around here, or even on this next candle. I genuinely forget. But guys, these things ran crazy. We'll try to do something a little different this time, but this is what I'm ultimately eyeing for SPY today, guys. This is how very simple I'm going to keep my technical analysis. I'm not going to try to do all these fancy indicators or try to add SMAs, EMAs, Bollinger Bands. I'm just going to try to keep it very simple, guys. And on Friday, we're going to follow price action. So again, Friday's price action, we saw this trend, we drew it out and dropped it in the trade ideas tab for everybody to notice. Got the nice break, and now here we are doing a potential double bottom bounce here, guys. And the reason why I say that is because look at this candle here. It's just representing that buyers are stepping in just a little bit. Now, of course, that's why I don't take trades right at open, and of course, I'm not saying to take calls right at open, but it does look pretty interesting. Look at this, a nice little hammer, potentially, maybe try to hold around, maybe chop around potentially before we actually see some upside, or just a straight rocket back to the upside. I mean, who knows? We're gonna see what happens. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys if we catch a trade, and we're gonna live record it. So let's see what we can catch, and let's go into the live market. So I let the market breathe. I let the news reports hit, and now I already have my trade ideas as far as what I'm watching. The trade idea plan that I'm eyeing is AMD or NVIDIA here. You can see all I did was grab this wick, connect this wick, and it also connects this wick as well. Sell off candle with the whole market, then it gets bought back up with the whole market, ultimately rejects the trend line. But either way, I'm gonna watch this one here. I might catch a quick little bounce trade here, or if I can catch a little retest, whatever the case is. Overall, I gotta watch it. Of course, I'm not gonna enter it here. I'm just gonna wait for an actual candle breakout. Maybe try to catch a retest dip to this trend line and take it for calls. But that's what I'm watching for today. This is my first time ever, but I'm about to go live on YouTube, guys. So it's gonna be really fun. But anyways, we post our trade ideas tab, or our trade idea in the trade ideas tab. Currently still watching it, and we're about to go live right now. See how it goes. Let me record you guys for the vlog today. Yo, appreciate Palmavera and Tim. So guys, we just entered an NVIDIA trade here. Panicking because I entered it on the worst fill you can get. I don't like entering at the tops, and you guys already know that, but we did enter in at the top because I was trying to enter in. I couldn't enter in, things going bullish, and we're just entering. So we got next week expiration. I'm gonna try my best to hold above this area. I'm gonna set my stop loss below 105. So we currently did do a pullback back to this retest of this EMA, plus it's almost this trend line. Guys, we're gonna do a little bit of a bigger stop loss. I'm gonna do my absolute best to hold above this resistance level and even more to 107 and try to even go for more, guys. So that's our plan today. There we go. We're getting a nice bounce. It's getting tight. It's taking a slow time, but we're finally coming back to almost break even. It's getting real slow. This is what it looks like in 5 minutes. We just need that breakout, guys. As soon as we get that breakout above here, I'm confident we're gonna get a nice strong push to the upside. That's all we need. There we go, guys. Come on, man. This is what we've been waiting for a whole hour and 30 minutes, man. There we go. So we're almost up 10%, which is my model here, but I don't want to enter here. I don't want to exit off this, guys. This is horrible. We want to shoot for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Willing to lose $30 to gain 60 or lose $30 to gain 90. That's what we're going to shoot for. Very nice breakout here. Very good trade. 16% here, solid 17, but we're going to shoot for at least 30%. 23%, guys. 25%. This is a good day, guys. Let's go. Just exited 25%. Honestly, this is a good day. We're gonna start the week off great. 350 to 438. Let's fucking go, guys. Even though it's probably gonna pump more, which it freaking is, it's totally fine. I'm gonna secure my 25% gain. Okay. Let's check this out. So we're not gonna get greedy. We're not gonna have FOMO or anything. But now these contracts are over $100. Again, we was in this trade for over 2 hours, 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. guys, from $350 to 438, and now these contracts are at 455. So mind you, 350 to 455 had I held just for an extra, I don't know, 5 minutes probably. So lesson learned today, even though we got a very good trade, again, there can always be room for some more improvement. Look at how much this continues on going, man. Wow. So it's totally fine. We're not gonna look back and be like, shoulda, woulda, coulda. But again, these are the trades that I'm looking for. So again, very good trade today, guys. Killed it. So glad on this one. So guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. And guys, look, today was amazing because we did exactly what we said we're gonna do. Now, I did go live on YouTube. I'm not sure if exactly if it's gonna drop because I cannot find the video. But guys, we went live earlier on YouTube, as you guys saw earlier, and we talked about the trade idea since the morning, guys. It's been something that I've been planning to trade. And I even said I'm only gonna trade this one, or I'm most likely just gonna trade this one today, and we did. I love trading when you do exactly your trade plan. Look, you make money when you stick to your trade plan. The reason why you're most likely losing money is because you're not trading your trade plan. And that happens to me too, guys. Like, look, this is a game changer for me. So this week, we're starting off very good. And we're going to do our absolute best, guys, to push on this trade. So let's get it, guys. Very good day. It's about 11:50 a.m. Market closes about another hour and 10 minutes. So I hope you guys have an awesome Monday. And also, anybody that's been on my vlogs or been watching me for a couple months, knowing I just recently got braces, and you guys can see it's very noticeable. My teeth are actually getting very straight. My bottom ones are very straight, and my top ones are getting there. So anyways, guys, we finally looking good. So catch you guys on tomorrow's vlog, and let's keep going.